Going on, guys? Good morning. We are back on the setup. We are back home, feeling a lot better. Now, one thing that I hold on, because my mic is, I feel like my mic is about to fall off my table. Like I have it drilled in, or not really drilled, but like squeezed into the table, and it looks like it's like leaning. I don't know. I'm gonna fix it now. Anyways, guys, real quick, we are seeing a setup off open. I'm loving it like crazy. So before I break it down, guys, okay, so yesterday you guys know we tried putting out a trade, and it didn't really go too much because obviously it was a little bit slow. We didn't like it. You guys get the deal, right? But what you guys don't know is we ended up catching a beautiful 150 point trade yesterday, which looked just like this. I couldn't catch it on stream, unfortunately, at least not on the YouTube stream. We did catch it over in the premium. We did live tweet the entire trade. So as I always say, if you guys don't want to be missing out on these PM session type of trades, guys, click the first link in the description, and you guys can pretty much find all of these trades live and real time. All right, but yeah, we ended up making a ton of money yesterday. We ended up making about $12,000, copy trading 10 accounts. So $1,200 on each account. On a 150 point trade. The premium made a lot of money yesterday, so it was a pretty good day. It was a pretty good day. But anyways, that's besides the point. Let's get back into the market. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain everything that we're watching. And then we're pretty much just gonna go from there. Let me start up the live trading over here in the premium. Give me 1 second. Now, I'm gonna explain the setup. Now, you guys know lately the market has been selling off like crazy, so we don't know how it's gonna go. But we obviously are trying to be bullish once again. We're gonna see how this goes. If the market continues to sell off, then we're gonna have to be bearish throughout the day. All right, guys. Anyways, here, let me see. Starting up the live trading. Join up. All right, let's go ahead and start this up over here. Now, I don't know why my mic looks like it's falling. It's like bending over. Yeah. I could have worded that a little bit better. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and see. But YouTube, what is going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here, let me go ahead and put the stream out real quick. Let me put it here. I'm live. Okay, bad. Yo, what's going on, guys? Off the bat, I'm sure you guys, it feels like super relieving. Hear my mic be a little bit better. But what's going on, guys? What's going on? Anyways, okay, so we're back. We're feeling better. From yesterday. Hopefully we're feeling better. But okay, so coming into market open, honestly, it's looking pretty interesting. Hopefully it's not, bro. My mic. Oh, hold on, guys. Let me like untighten my mic because this thing is about to fall off my table and. Hold up, let me kind of like hold up, guys. Give me 1 second because this thing is literally about to fall. Like, what I was gonna say was like the setup that we have off open looks pretty good as long as we get some buying coming in. But my mic had other ideas. This thing is literally about to fall off my table. Hold up, let me like squeeze it back in. There we go. Okay, there you go. I think that like the sticker is coming off. That's why it's like sliding off the table. Okay, let me squeeze it back in. What are we doing? Okay, we're still selling off. Okay, I wasn't expecting that, but what I was gonna say. Hold on, let me like get this final. There you go. Okay, perfect. Anyways, okay. So, how's it going, guys? Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right. So, let's see. Low volume, mic quiet. Well, yeah, I had it far away. Now it's a little bit better. Anyways, okay. So, guys, coming into market open, honestly, it is looking pretty interesting. Not only have we taken out the London lows, internal lows, and Asia lows, but we do have a pretty nice setup to the upside. All right. Oh, share your screen. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. There we go. All right. So. Coming into market open, like I said, it is looking pretty interesting. I am liking the way the market is looking. Now we obviously need to do a few things before we get the setup, but setup wise, we do have something to the upside if we end up seeing some buying, which we don't know. You guys know these last 3-4 days, it's been straight selling, so we're gonna see how today goes. All right, but in this case, guys. We ended up taking out this pretty much this Asia low down here, and we're trying to sweep it. We don't know just yet. Obviously the market just opened 6 minutes ago, so we don't know how it's gonna go. All right, but from the looks of it, we do have a pretty nice internal London and Asia sweep, which we're trying to get right now. All right, so what's the case here? Well, during the pre-market session, during the London session, you could say, the market ended up selling off around this range for about 53 points, if I'm not mistaken, 54 points, right? We saw that for 54 points. Most of this candle is an imbalance candle, as it's a full candle, which created a very, very nice fair value gap right here, right? So pretty much, what are we looking for in this case? Well, we can always create a fair, some sort of a setup down here, which can always work out as well. But the one that we have active right now is the one up here. All right. So pretty much what we're looking for is we're trying to see if we can get some sort of a DOL sweep from here, get some buying pressure to create the MSS model. If we can get the buying pressure around this range, if we have enough buyers to kind of push us up into this 303 range, we could take longs for a quick scalp into 332 and 453. So that's pretty much what we're looking at for this morning. I've been eyeing it since since this gap right here was created. So we're gonna see. Now, if we're able to create a setup down here, it'll be a little bit better because obviously we're gonna get a way earlier entry. But I mean, if not, we can always resort to this one for a quick scalp. I really do like it. I really do like it. Now, all that matters right now is as long as we're able to hold above this Asia level, we're good. That's all we need. That's literally all we need. Because as long as we can stay bullish throughout the entire AM session, taking longs shouldn't be a bad idea. All right, guys. So we're gonna see how that goes. We are gonna see how that goes. All right. Now, ES is following along. The one thing that's kind of worrying me a little bit is ES barely took out, or didn't really take out the Asia low. You know what I mean? So yeah. Anyways, buyers are stepping in very, very strong here, which is an amazing sign, which is what we want to see. So in this case, guys, all we need to do is, since we have the sweep and the buying pressure, which signals the MSS model or anticipates the MSS model, guys, all we need is just to inverse this gap. That's kind of all we're waiting on right now. Literally all we're waiting on. Now, would I want to go long right now? I wish I could, but I really can't. All right. Obviously, there's no setup. There's no entry model. So we're going to have to wait it out. All we have to do is wait for like 40 more points. Which, with this volume shouldn't be too hard, right? So be ready to get an entry if we do get one very, very soon, because I am loving the way it looks. All right, guys. Now, I just wish we had a setup down here. I mean, it would have been so much better. I mean, we could still create one around this range. We can get some sort of a fair value retracement on the 5-minute. So we'll see how that goes. But if not, we can always resort to the main setup. All right, guys. We do have a setup on the 5-minute. Not really, not from what I'm seeing. I mean, are you talking about this one? This is a 32-point candle. I don't really like that. News at 10. No, it's today's orange folders only. Right? I don't think there's anything major. Anyways, guys. So right now we are kind of pushing up into the setup, which is a very, very good sign. Hopefully today's a quick day, because honestly, we need it. We need it today. I know we got it yesterday. I'm sure you guys can hear it in my voice. There's a big difference in my voice. I'm feeling a lot more like energetic. Mainly because we made all of our money back yesterday and so much more. So we're sitting pretty green on the week, at least some. I don't know if you guys caught the trade or not, but from the polls that I put out yesterday, most of you guys did end up catching the trade. So I'm assuming we're all very, very happy. All right. So we're gonna see. Anyways, on the 5-minute time frame, now in this case, we might have two setups here that we could take into longs. All right. So the reason I'm saying two setups here is because on the 5-minute time frame, we did create a very nice gap right here. As long as we can hold it, we're good, right? Because what we can do is we could do the same thing that happened yesterday, which hopefully we don't sell off too much here while I'm talking. But what I want to see here, guys, is we can either take the inverse of up here if there's enough buyers, or if this fair value gap holds up, which I don't know. We can always look for a continuation model, which will look somewhat like this, right? We take the retracement into the gap, we bounce up, we look for the entry, and then we just take it into the upside. Not only will we get a better entry, but I mean it'll be a lot earlier. You know what I mean? So we don't have to worry about all of this stuff. But if that doesn't happen, then we can just always resort to this fair value gap right here. All right. So yeah. We're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, what's up, YouTube? What's going on, guys? Why is the live always 2 minutes delayed? Because if you're on YouTube, I have it delayed. In the premium, I have it real time. Okay, so forget about this gap. It's kind of gone. But yeah, there it goes. Let me see. How many cons should I size if I have a $500 drawdown? Try to do like 4 contracts. That's not too bad. I can hear the confidence back in your voice, bro. I mean, yesterday the 150-point trade that we caught yesterday, bro. It brought everything back. We needed that. You know what I mean? We needed that. I'm not really hyped up because we got a win. I'm kind of hyped up because we made a lot of money yesterday. I ended up trading full size on that trade, and I ended up holding throughout all of my contracts throughout half of the trade. So. You know what I mean? Not even the runners paid. The entire trade paid. So yeah, how much per count? 1,200. 1.2K per account. So yeah, we held that trade, and yeah. So I'm feeling a lot better. Hopefully that confidence really gets us back on track. And hopefully the market kind of wakes up here and stops selling off literally all day. So yeah, that's why I'm telling you guys this setup. You know what I mean? I really like it if buyers can step in, which we don't know. We don't know just yet, but from the looks of it, I mean, from the looks of it, like literally a candle ago, it was looking pretty good, right? All we need now is just very strong buying, and then we just inverse the gap and we're good. All right. I'm feeling equally confident in today's long setup. Well, don't get me wrong. The setup looks amazing. It's just we need buyers. We don't know if we're gonna get it yet. You know what I mean? We gotta see. Full size today. Yeah, we don't really have anything stopping us. Now why are we selling off? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I do not know at all. So we gotta see what we do. Now if the bias has to change, you know what I mean? We're gonna change it. It's very unfortunate that we're selling off like this. I'm not sure why, but if the market's gonna do one of these days where it just sells off completely, you know, all day, that's what we're gonna do. Let me see. ES wants lows. You're right. That's probably what's gonna end up happening. But the thing is, I'm not sure why we're selling off super strong like this. I'm just hoping it's not gonna be one of those things where we just like yesterday, the day before, and the day before that, where we sell off literally all day. Hopefully not. Let me see. Caught my first trade yesterday. Aim for a 1-to-1. Got stopped out without trimming. Then I didn't catch a second trade. Yeah, bro, you're good. That's good. That's good. As long as you're respecting your rules, bro, doesn't matter. Wait, where I need my water? Now, guys, in this case, with us selling off like this, obviously it's gonna take a little bit more time for us to get the setup. It doesn't mean that the setup is done for. It doesn't mean that the setup won't work. We can always catch it, you know, as we go forward. But what I do want to see is I want to see how ES reacts off this Asia low. You guys gotta keep in mind, NQ took out the Asia low when ES has not taken out the Asia low. So we don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen. Let me see. I'm part of the lifetime premium. Am I able to access the real time without paying extra? Yeah, I mean, if you're in the premium, bro, I don't know why you're on YouTube, bro. Get into the Discord, bro. Yeah, go over to Discord where it says live trading. You just click on that and you just join up, bro. Yeah, get on Discord, bro. I don't know what you're doing on YouTube. So real quick, you go here, go to Discord where it says live trading. You just click here. Anyways, okay, so guys, is Trump speaking? Because why did we sell off just to go back up? Well, oh no, I was looking at ES. I was about to say. Hopefully Trump is speaking after 12. Yeah, today obviously he's speaking. That's like that happens every day, but not right now, right? Let me check the news. We have 10 a.m. news, 10:30 a.m. news. Trump speak. Oh, it's an orange folder today, so maybe it's not that important. But either way, I don't know why the market's going crazy. By the way, guys, one thing that you guys might not know about today is you guys got to keep in mind we have Nvidia earnings today, so I'm going to be avoiding the PM session. You guys know as we go closer to the PM session, the market is probably going to get slower due to the anticipation of the Nvidia report or earnings report. So yeah, today after hours, Nvidia comes out, and you guys know how the market gets usually. So today's gonna have to be strictly AM session. We're gonna get the earnings calendar. Search up earnings whisper on Google or on Twitter, and you can find all of the earnings there. Yeah. Anyways, I'm really hoping we can get some buying back up again. I don't know what the market is doing. Hopefully, we don't chop out throughout the morning because this setup is too good to just throw it away. You know what I mean? Hopefully not, man. Hopefully not. But we'll see. We'll give the market some time. Apparently new home sale. Yeah, it does. It does big time. It does big time. Yeah. Now that I'm gonna say that's an orange folder. That should be a red folder. I don't know why Forex Factory labels it an orange folder. It usually moves the market by a lot. Now if we have to wait for that, honestly, I'm fine with it. As long as we can get strong buying pressure to come in, I'm fine. You know what I mean? So we'll see. We'll see. In the meantime, though, we're kind of struggling. Both sides are struggling. They're both trying to take control, and we're kind of just in a doji candle where we opened. So we'll see. We'll see. Where do you see the orange folder dates and bro? Do you have a calendar? Yeah. Use this website right here. Forex Factory. That's what we all use. There you go. Okay. So, now, am I expecting a little bit more of a sell off? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You know, maybe. The whole reason I'm saying we could expect a sell off. Although we want the market to be going up, it'll be amazing if we do go up. You guys got to keep in mind we have not taken out this Asia low on ES, which can kind of mess us up in the long run. If we don't take it out, so if we have to take it out, so be it. I'm fine waiting 1 to 2 hours for a setup. That's what's been going on lately. So, I mean, if that's what we have to do again, all right, you know. But yeah, hopefully we get a big push up here. It's really unfortunate that we pushed up all the way like 30 points below the fair value gap just to go back down. I'm not sure why. I'm really not sure why. But as long as we're able to inverse the gap above with strong buying pressure, I do not mind anything. But yeah. Now in the meantime, let me go ahead and let me get some water real quick. Hold up. All right, we're back. We're back. We should. I mean, we could. I mean, it's not a big deal if we do or don't because ES already. NQ already took it. So if it wants to go up, we know why it's going up. But if we want to, I mean, that'll be a little bit extra confirmation. I just don't want the market to really push down for all that. When our setup is all the way up here, you know what I'm saying? Are we talking about the profit insert? No. If you're in profit insert, that's on you guys. Like that's up to them to do live trading or not. I'm doing in my community. So yeah. Now, if you have live stream over there, then yeah, that's something. I mean, I don't know if they do live trading over there. Anyways, okay. Right now, guys, we are getting some buying pressure to step in. I mean, pretty good. So this could be our second shot at longs. If we can break this high up here, hopefully we can. Fingers crossed. Because this setup is looking amazing. As long as I don't know if you guys read the commentary or not, but like I said, as long as buyers stay strong, this setup should be a no-brainer. Like I'm really liking it. But you guys obviously see both buyers and sellers, they're fighting for a trend here. So we don't know what they're trying to do. We kind of just have to wait it out. Once we break highs, that should be, I mean, yes, there's a lot of buying. Is it breaking highs or something? It is. Oh, okay. Yeah, good thing that you pointed that out. So ES has the SMT here. So if anything, guys, if we do end up taking longs over on NQ, we're probably gonna have to use ES as some price targets. So we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, ES is pushing up like crazy when NQ is just sitting there. That could be an issue, because yeah, that could be actually it could do more bad than good. And the reason I'm saying that is because if NQ struggles with buying and ES is buying up like crazy, if we take out this London high over on ES, since ES is the one leading, if ES takes out this London high and sweeps it before NQ does, then we can't use this as a price target. Yeah, that can honestly do more bad than good now that I look at it. So what would be the good case here would be we would want ES to kind of slow down a little bit. You know what I mean? Just chill out for a minute. We need NQ to catch up with the buying, right? We inverse the gap before NQ, ES takes out this ES high or this London high. Yeah, no, this setup went from being super perfect to like a little bit riskier. Because the problem is, guys, if with ES having all this buying coming in, well, I'm not saying that the market is going to top out at this London high. It's just going to be adding extra risk to the trade. Because if we take out this high and ES is leading and ES wants to start going back down, although NQ never took out any highs up here, NQ could start going back down to stop us out. So that could be an issue. This setup went from being completely perfect to now being a little bit. I'm not saying it's bad, but it could definitely bring some problems that we wouldn't want into this trade. And also, I'm not sure why NQ is struggling so much with the buying when ES is literally going up. So there's a little bit. I'm not gonna say there's an SMT there, but there's a little bit of weakness in between each other. So we're gonna see. Hopefully, nothing too bad. Nothing too bad comes up. ES inverse everything. Yeah, I know. Actually, no. ES didn't really have too much to inverse. Not from Ramsey. Let me see your screenshot. But yeah, you guys see what I mean? Like ES is holding green, or it is holding green, or trying to hold green when NQ is kind of struggling here, which it's kind of a problem here. But we're gonna see. Now, as long as ES holds the buying pressure for the entire AM session, it shouldn't be an issue. But we don't know that. Obviously, right now, that's something that we're gonna have to figure out. NQ just wants to dump 300 points. That's what it looks like. Like it looks like NQ is the weak one today. Which, you know what I mean, if we're trying to go long on NQ, we need it to be the strong one. So it could bring some problems. But we're gonna see as we get closer to the entry, if we even get closer to the entry. We don't know. I mean, so far it seems like sellers are kind of taking the control. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Now, the thing that worries me is once we take out this London high, is probably when we're gonna get our entry. So that could really, today could be a little bit tricky. Um, and I did not have this planned at all. I did not know that ES was gonna have complete control. So we're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see. But we are. I'm gonna say we're getting closer to the entry. But we're also getting closer to the price target on ES. Bro, we just can't have one easy day. We really can't. We really can't, man. Yeah, I promise you guys, literally as we inverse this gap, we're going to take out the London high. Actually, we just took it out. There it is. Bro, we can't have not one easy day, guys. We really can't. Man. Okay, let's see how we can work around this. Let's see how we can work around this. This could be a little bit messy. Keep that in mind, guys. This could be a little bit messy. But in the meantime, guys, we're gonna stick to our bias. We're gonna see how this inverses. We're gonna see how buyers step in. Depending on how buyers step in, we're gonna go ahead and take the inverse. All right, guys. So we're looking for an entry above 303. That is what we're looking for. All right. Now we're gonna see if we can even inverse this. Now keep in mind, yes, obviously, how we're expecting. We could expect a pullback very, very soon. So if anything, this setup could even get messed up. You see what I mean? You guys see what I mean? So it could get a little bit ugly here. All right. So we're going to see, guys. We are going to see. As long as ES is able to hold above this London high, the long setup should be valid. But with ES taking out our price target and ES being the one that's leading, if ES goes down, NQ is going to go down as well. You get what I'm saying, guys? So that could be a problem. That could be a problem. But keep in mind, we're still not in. We're still waiting for the buying pressure to kick in again to see if we can even hold above the level. But if not, we're going to have to wait for another setup, guys. All right? The thing is, when I was writing this setup, I did not expect buyers to be that strong on ES. You guys know, usually ES is not the one that takes control. It's usually NQ. So we're going to see, guys. We're going to see. Anyways, buyers stepping back in again, which, you know, it's pretty normal. I'm going to say this long setup looks valid as long as ES holds above 6,004. So yeah, because that's the London high. As long as we hold above it, because obviously you guys know, if we took out the London high and we're holding below it, this counts as a deal wall sweep, which is not something that we want. All right, we need to make sure that price holds above it to show signs that it wants to continue higher into at least 610. All right, so we're gonna see. And keep in mind, NQ has not taken out the London high, so maybe we have that extra room to go higher. I don't know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna look for an entry around 304 or 303, 304, and see what we can work with around there. But as long as the buying looks strong, we should be good. I'm just gonna be a little bit, you know, I might second guess the setup a little bit with ES taking out that high. But if you guys don't like the idea too much, you guys can always size lighter. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna look for an entry around here. Okay, guys. I'm gonna look for an entry around here. Let me see. Can we hold above? If we can hold above, let me see. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna enter long here. All right, keep in mind this one is gonna be a little bit. I want to consider a little bit riskier. Main reason being is just because of the ES. But the way the buying pressure is kicking in, I'm going to take the risk. All right, guys? I'm going to take the risk. Anyways, I'm going to look to take a quick scalp at around 332 because that is the London high that we are targeting over an NQ. All right, guys? Let me see. Hold on. There you go. Okay. Anyways, let's see. So, like I said, guys, as long as ES is able to hold above 6,004, that's all we need. And yeah, well, well, I got stopped out on that one. And that's the one thing I was worried about. That is the one thing I was worried about. Let me see. The thing is, I wasn't expecting it to be that quick. But because the thing is, I don't want to look for a re-entry if we do get it because of ES. That's the whole risk I didn't want to take. Should we stay in? I mean, I don't know if you guys got stopped out or not. I personally did. But I don't know. It's because the thing is with ES, that's the problem. No, that doesn't have to do anything. What'd you size? I did full. I did like that a lot. It's just the thing is with ES. Now, if I have to switch my bias due to ES leading, I might switch over to ES shorts because of the 5-minute. But man, no, that thing really. Yeah. If anything, we might have to switch our bias real quick. Stopped out. Yeah, no, we all did. But worst case, I might look into ES just because ES is leading. That added a lot of risk into that setup. A lot of risk. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see. Because now, okay, guys, if ES is leading, which we know obviously now, and the whole reason NQ went down is because of ES. Since ES took out this liquidity up here, and we have a fair value gap right under. If we can inverse this one, honestly, it wouldn't be a bad idea to look into shorts. But the thing is, let me see. So Blas, you didn't like this because ES swept and we're buying. No, the whole reason I liked it is because NQ took out this Asia low, and we haven't taken out the London high. But the problem is with ES leading and taking out the London high, since we took it out already and we're trying to sweep it, you know what I'm saying? Am I in? No, I got stopped out, guys. I got stopped. Now, if you guys are still winning, you guys want to hold it. I mean, we're still, I don't know. As much as I want to look for a re-entry, I kind of, like, I want to, because the buying pressure, obviously, we're holding it up pretty well. I might look for a re-entry, honestly. Because probably what it wanted to do was ES might have wanted to retrace into this gap, because the buying is still looks really strong, and we still have this inverse pretty valid, and we haven't taken out the high up here. So I might give a re-entry, like a shot at longs one more time with the same stop and everything. Because what's happening here is we're getting a fair value gap retracement, and the buying is coming in again. So we're not really getting the sweep confirmed. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see. Because the idea is still pretty valid, especially with buying, flipping from red to green. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna re-enter longs here, guys. I'm gonna re-enter longs here. Actually, wait. If you guys haven't entered just yet, wait. Because news just came out. Give it a second. Give it 1 second. Because news literally just came out. Give it 1 second, guys. Don't enter just yet, guys. Give it 1 second. If this candle flips, then enter. But if you guys haven't, don't do it. Give it 1 second. Give it 1 second. Hold it. Let this flip. If it does. If it hasn't, do not enter. Give it 1 second. Okay, if you guys, let me see if I can put it out here. Because the thing is, now I'm being super cautious because of news. That's the problem. So give it some time. Let the news kind of settle down, and then whatever the news does, then you just base it off that. Man, this market is a mess. Yeah, I'm almost at. Yeah, give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. I haven't entered. I said I was gonna enter, but literally I saw the news flip in. Hold it, guys. Hold it. Hold it. Give it a second. If the candle flips, then yeah, an entry will be good around this range. But if you haven't entered, be careful because the news. More news in 30 minutes. Yeah, no, that one doesn't do anything. It's home sales. That's the one that affects the market. Give it 1 second. Now, if you do sell off, I'm gonna flip the buy so you guys know I'm looking at this inverse right here. But for now, hold it. Hold it. Full size, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. When you're looking at new home sales. New home sales. But guys, hold it. Hold it. Once this candle flips, if this candle is able to flip back to green, then an entry will be good. Because that's when it holds up the inverse. All right, but for now, give it a second. Let me delete this real quick. Because the buying is still stepping in on ES, and it seems like NQ wants the buying pressure is still in for these London highs, so we could probably take it out very, very soon. So I'm gonna see what we can work with. I'm letting the buyer step in. It's just right now it's a doji candle, so I don't know if buyers are strong or not. As much as I want to take these longs, I might just take them here. I'm just really worried about the news. All right, guys, I'm gonna enter longs here. I'm in longs. I'm in longs. I'm in longs. I'm gonna target this London high. I'm gonna try to scalp it as fast as I can because ES is looking super strong once again. It's holding above the sweep and everything, so we could get our price target, the one that we want to see here. All right, guys. Let me see. Come on. Anyways. Now, guys, if this one doesn't hold up, which honestly I believe it should hold up, it has every reason to. We're not sweeping or anything, and we still have that London high up there to really take care of. If by any chance we don't, I'm just gonna wait for shorts to really or for sellers to really step in, and I'll just look to take something off ES because I also do like this idea as well. With the London high being taken out. But in the meantime, I'm going to be paying attention over to NQ to see if it can take out this London high because that's the whole objective for this morning. That is the whole objective. All we need to do is break up above this high, which I believe I really want to say we should see. I really want to say we should see. But if this doesn't hold up, then yeah, I'll just switch over to a short bias on ES. As long as ES doesn't hold up below 6,004, we're chilling. What was your fill? 303. 303. What's your new stop loss? Same stop loss. But yeah, no, if this doesn't hold up, then we'll see. Like I said, as long as ES doesn't hold below 6,004, we're chilling. But if that's gonna be the case, then yeah, I'm just gonna switch to a short bias for the PM maybe. Let me check the 5-minute. Yeah, no, sellers are stepping in because of ES here. Yeah, no, I got stopped out again, guys. Man, this week is not my week, man. Not at all. Not my week at all, guys. As good as the setup looked, it just doesn't want to hold up. Stop twice, I know. Yeah. Not my week, guys. But anyways, like I said, guys, if we sell off over on ES, I'm just gonna look to take an inverse here. This is gonna be my final idea. If it doesn't hold them, then I'm just calling it. This month is hard. Hardest month I've probably ever had. Week's not over. I know, bro, but it's been tilting, bro. It's been tilting. Very, very tilting. One of my worst weeks probably ever. Nah, the drawdown is good. I don't really have too much drawdown. It's just the chop. Look at this. It goes back up right after we get stopped out. Like I said, the whole objective is to take out this London high, and we can't trade into it. It's literally impossible with this chop. Look at this. Bro, if we take out this London high, bro, I'm gonna get so tilted, man. We tried trading into this London high 2 times, and we just can't get it. We can't get it. When's the last time you blew an account? I don't know. A few months ago. A few months ago. But man, this is... It's tilting, guys. It's tilting. Super tilting. Price looks so easy to trade into, and we just can't take it out. We just can't. And the funny thing is, we're probably gonna take out this London high. It's literally impossible to trade into because of the chop. We keep chopping out through the stop loss. It's stressful, super stressful. I can respect it. No, I mean it's just. I mean, look at the volume that we're trading. The setup looked perfect, but oh man. And we're probably gonna. I know we're gonna. I'm just waiting on it to get taken out. This month is worse than December. No, December wasn't bad. It was the last week of December that was horrible. But this month has been horrible for me. At least this week. This week has been one of my worst performing weeks probably ever. Maybe correct trade, just wrong stop loss. No, bro, it's the chop. Look at what we're trading. Look at the candles. And we're probably gonna take it out. I just know it. I just know it. Look at ES. The bias looks so clear to the upside, and Q just can't follow along. Bro, I'm not switching my strat, bro. It's just a choppy day. No strat in this market is gonna work. When the market is going up and down, nothing's gonna work. You gotta keep that in mind. Is the max drawn on PA? Yeah, it is. It is. No, actually, when your account goes above 52,000, it just freezes. I'm gonna call it. Yeah, bro. Don't even trip. Don't even trip, bro. This is tilting, bro. You guys don't understand. It's hard. Hard as fuck to trade. Can't catch a break. Yeah, that's what it seems like this week, man. literally the worst week I've probably ever had in this Discord. I don't think it's ever been this bad. Yeah, we're gonna take out the high as well. There it is. Ah man, it's like, bro, it's so easy to read, just so hard to trade with price, bro. Did I look at ES? Dude, oh my god. Bro, I'm telling you guys, it's like we knew it was gonna go up, bro. We just can't trade it. Literally my worst month I've ever had. Ah man. Anyways, they broke it top wicked again. Yeah. 2 times. 2 times. Oh my god, for keep from the soul. Bro, you can hear it in my voice, bro. Dude, this is the most tilting thing I've ever been. Like ever. Like you too tilted. We should all just come back tomorrow. Dude, if anything, I want to come back next week, bro. Are you in? No, man. We got stopped out at the literal bottom 2 times. 2 times. And then when it goes into our price targets. Nah, Professor, it's probably blown. This is how I look at it. The ultimate society, you have a large community watching. Which one? This course in the long run, we all get payouts. I know, bro. I know, but right now, like doing it right now, being in that bad month, bro, it's the worst feeling. Literally the worst feeling. Maybe because of the 15 minutes. No, we hit the price target. The only reason we got, bro, look at the price that we're trying to trade. Obviously, we're gonna get stopped out, bro. And the thing is, even if we want to take shorts, the one setup that we were looking to trade, which was this one, we're far as hell from it. So, the one shot out longs that we had, we couldn't even get it. And we can't even take longs anymore. The whole objective for today was this London high, and we took it out. Think we see previous day highs? Did we not take that out? The one up here? I don't know. I don't even know if I can trade into that anymore. We took out the one shot that we had on longs was right here, and we couldn't even get it. Control discipline trading. Fucking. Yeah, no, but we're sticking to the rules, yeah, for sure. But man, it's tilty, man. Like I don't even want to be in the market anymore. So like next week or something. But we'll see. Yes, it's a beautiful 15 minutes. The problem is we can't take longs anymore. The whole reason we took longs was to trade into our objectives. We took them out. So that's it. Like we took out both buy side and sell side. We pretty much screwed already. Bro, no. That's it. Like Kenny, it's pretty much over. How much lost? I'm down 1.2k per account. I took both full size. I don't want to tell you what. Yeah, no, I read it. I read it. Yeah, we literally took out everything to the upside. Everything on ES. But yeah, I'll see what I could do. I don't know if I want to get on for the PM session because of Nvidia earnings, and obviously my mental, it's like horrible. It's fucked right now. Just seeing a winning trade go red for because of chop, just really fucks you over. And we would have been in this, bro. All right. Are you down? Obviously. I got stopped out twice. Uh, yeah, like what type of question is that, man? Look at this, bro. Oh my, bro. I need to get off the charts before. Uh, yeah, guys. I'm gonna, bro. I have no choice but to get off. There's no way. There's no way. Oh, are you still green counting yesterday's trade? No, bro. I give it back today. I give it back. Are you down for the coming week? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like mentally, am I down? I mean, right now, yeah. If I take a little break, I'll be fine. But, bro, look at this trade, guys. It would have been such an easy trade. Look at the 15-minute, bro. Oh my. Oh, it gets you, bro. You can't make it up, man. You really can't. Like I said, guys, we had the right reading once again. Not only did we get stopped out on a 100-point trade on Monday, we also got stopped out on what is currently a 50-point trade. Again, with the right reading. You can't make this up. You really can't. That ring's come. Yeah, obviously. It's my job. Oh man. Guys, I'm gonna get off this market. I'm mentally like fucked right now. Like it's draining. It's draining. Seeing we would have been up right now about 60 points on this trade. So I need to get off the charts before you know what I mean? But yeah, just the market conditions. But yeah, guys, in the meantime, just get off. Get off. It's draining. Super draining. It's all good. I know, but we'll see. You're still in, bro. If you are, bro, take trims and just hold it, because we're probably gonna keep going higher into like 450. We have nothing stopping us until 453, and that's the problem. That's what I wanted to trade into. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off. It's probably best if I get off. This week has not been my week at all. So, but yeah, I'm getting off, guys. I'm gonna get off. Peace out, guys. Peace. YouTube, guys, my bad. I know lately or this week has been a living headache that we can't just. It seems like we can't get a break. We're getting all winning ideas and we're just not getting the right entries. We just can't get the right entries. So yeah, I'm gonna get off. I'm probably gonna take a break until Monday and just see where my mind goes from there. All right, guys. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get off. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be live streaming tomorrow nor Friday. I'm probably gonna take a break from the markets, and just come back Monday. It's probably the best thing I should do right now. But yeah, we'll see. I'll let you guys know if you guys want to stay updated. Join the free Discord. It's in the description. I think the third link. So if you guys do want to check it out, just join there. All right, guys. But I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow, if not on Monday. All right. I'll see you guys then. All right, guys.